As you can see by this chart, the growth is unprecedented. And that's why we're seeing record highs for Bitcoin this quarter.
As you can see, with this recent development, we're projecting a massive surge. Bitcoin is launching from 92K straight up to 150K.
Interest rates might seem unpredictable right now, but our analysis shows that by 2026, your investment could reach $150,000. So how exactly did we turn this small investment into $150,000? Maybe it's time to ask the big questions. The chart shows us stabilizing between $91,000 and $92,000. See this sideways movement? That indicates a neutral trend for now.
And when we count the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we see the clear path to the 150K target. That's a massive 1.6 times potential.
By optimizing your portfolio, you could see significant returns. And with this approach, you could reach your target of $150,000. Look at this projection. The data clearly shows an upward trajectory, with some predicting a massive surge up to 150K as early as 2026. Get ready for the April 2024 halving. The block reward of 6.25 Bitcoin is being cut in half. It goes down to 3.12. So what happens when supply is limited? We see scarcity, right? But when demand shoots up like this, the price goes through the roof.
As you can see from this historical chart, every time we've had a Bitcoin halving event, the price has absolutely skyrocketed shortly after.
18 to 21 months post-halving boom. Supply shock incoming.
Welcome everyone. We've seen a massive influx of institutional interest, especially with the new spot Bitcoin ETFs flooding the market. This is huge news. The inflows have been absolutely massive, with assets under management skyrocketing past the $100 billion mark. Corporate treasuries are starting to adopt Bitcoin. Look at MicroStrategy, for example. They've accumulated a massive stack of BTC, and that value just keeps growing.
Institutions buying more than new supply. We work with major banks like JP Morgan and Goldman. They provide essential custody services and hold the collateral. Traditional finance is embracing the change. Wall Street is going all in on Bitcoin. And as you could see, the ETF inflows have absolutely skyrocketed. This pushes the price line sharply upward, just like we predicted. While the national debt spiraled past $35 trillion, many are looking for a safe haven. That's where Bitcoin comes in. When the Fed cuts rates, it injects liquidity into the market. And as you can see, that money is flowing straight into Bitcoin.
As we can see, the dollar is weakening and fiat money is burning. However, Bitcoin stands strong, acting as a reliable shield.
We've been asking for clearer oversight, and now the Clarity Act is finally here, ensuring full transparency. While some see regulation as a roadblock, it's actually the green light for institutional investment. That's why we're seeing these positive trends. We've got three major tailwinds pushing Bitcoin up. The halving is cutting supply, new ETFs are driving demand, and the macro outlook is finally favorable. Macro perfect storm for BTC. The combination of the halving, strong ETF inflows, and positive macro factors means this bull run has significant room to grow. The market is looking great, but hold on. We're seeing significant volatility. Experts predict a dip, potentially bringing us down to not guaranteed, but bull case strong. History favors the patient. Look at this growth. We went from 92,000 straight up to $150,000, exceeding all expectations. As this chart clearly shows, the strategy is working. We projected significant growth, and I'm thrilled to announce we've hit our target of $150,000. 2026 could be huge! What do you think? $150K or more? This strategy shows consistent growth, maximizing your dollar returns. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. The data clearly shows the power of compound interest. We saw a massive spike, turning that initial capital into $10,000 in pure profit.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at these incredible growth charts. See how the market is trending up. And the best part, Bitcoin is absolutely skyrocketing.